It's a black Italiano. No, I'm playing. I'm not Italian. But I was acting like I was because I really wanted lasagna, but I wanted chicken parm. And I just had to combine the two, why not? Now, this is not your traditional way of doing things, all right? Any Italianos, please do not come for me in the comments. This is just my version of whatever the hell I decided to make. And it came out bomb. It's very easy. I didn't even put anything in a pan, which I should have, other than the chicken that I have to fry for the actual like chicken cutlet. But the pasta, the pasta sauce, I mixed that in a bowl, put that in the microwave with some seasoning, and then I breaded my chicken uh, cutlets and then fried them off very nicely. Like, wait for it. Oh, just amazing. Like, that was just perfection. And then, some ricotta, lemon juice. I added some Italian seasoning to that and a little sea salt and some pepper. And then one egg for some reason. Don't ask me. I'm just experimenting. And then a little lemon. And now it's time to layer. Now, I am experimenting this whole time, so please bear with me. Okay? I forgot to put the cheese where the cheese was supposed to go. And I put way more of this ricotta mixture than I actually needed. I don't know, but just follow along. We're going to layer with love, go back and forth, add again. Don't forget to just pack it on in there. I don't know why I did this layer like that, but it worked. And then the cheese again, more chicken. I mean, why not? About 3 pieces each layer. And I did 2 layers of chicken. If you're paying attention, you caught on to that, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Then I put the ricotta mixture at the top with the tomato sauce mixture and then cheese. Now, I probably did this in the most odd way humanly possible, but I swear it worked. It just tastes just as good as it looks.